Gimatic Machining deals with precision mechanical machining, and it supplies customers operating in various industrial sectors. It operates within the Gimatic Group, specializing in engineering since 1985, manufacturing components and gripping systems for industrial automation. Since 2018, Gimatic, with its 13 automation centers located around the world, has become part of the American Barnes Group. Our designers and software technicians can face projects and feasibility studies of any mechanical part. Our technologically advanced equipment can produce components and final products with high precision and quality. We count on 65 CNC machining centers, which allow us to provide components and final products of absolute quality. Our departments are multitasking, milling, quality check and final verification, turning, finishing, logistics and storage. Active listening and daily alignment allow for continuous improvement of our processes and the achievement of operational excellence. Since 2010, we have been ISO 9001 certified for the system quality management. In an 8,000 square meter production plant, we can machine each type of materials, either starting from bars and casted parts. We operate in various industrial sectors such as automotive, household appliances, plumbing, industrial automation, agriculture, tool automation, and medical. The health and safety of people are our priority every day, like sustainability and energy efficiency. Gimatic Machining, engineered technology to exceed your needs.